How to reset Instagram feed. I'm going to tell you how to reset your Instagram feed so the algorithm shows you what you actually want. First, clear your search history. Go to your profile, tap the three lines, head to your activity, then recent searches, and then clear all. Next, when you go to the search tab, unfollow or remove all the suggested accounts you're not interested in. Third, anytime you see a post you don't like, tap the three dots and choose Not Interested. This signals Instagram to stop recommending similar content. Finally, unfollow people you're not interested in anymore. Or for a full reset, you can even set your following count to zero. Doing these steps will train the algorithm from scratch so your feed slowly shifts to only what you want to see.